This is a great tear and share cheese flour bread recipe with Odlums. So into a bowl we're going to add 500 grams of the Odlum strong flour. We have 2 pinches of salt and 2 pinches of sugar, 7 grams of yeast and 325 ml of lukewarm water. Mix this for 10 minutes. Cover that with a tea towel and leave it to prove for an hour. So 1 hour later, just knock back the dough. We're just going to divide this then into 16 pieces. Now, so onto a tray of parchment paper, we have our camembert cheese, and we're going to build our flour around it. We just roll out each piece of dough, and then we have some of the garlic and herb butter in. Fold it over like a taco, and then curl it in, like so. So we're just going to lay then around the camembert cheese. So we just leave that to prove then for another 15-20 minutes. Place in little pieces of rosemary. This goes into the oven at 220 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Drizzle the cheese with some honey and then tear off a piece of bread and dip it into the center of that gooey cheese. And there you have it, a delicious cheese flour bread for this Christmas with Odlums.